If you are running a F&B business where you have multiple, a single item sold in multiple quantities, for example like beer, they come in drums, and each drum, for this particular system we can actually track it by mugs. So if you sell, for example, 1 jug of beer, whereby 1 jug is equal to 4 mugs, what you can do is you can create this way. You can add an additional barcode first for, let's say, for example, beer in mugs. We will track the beer by mug. So let's say the additional barcode you use for jug is, let's say, 108J. You can say this is beer 1 jug, for example, quantity 1. So you will say how many mugs is it. So this is equivalent to 4 mugs. Alright, so if you are putting this description, some deals, if they come out, it become mugs. How much your selling price, assuming you sell this for, say, $18, for example, right? So you put it this way and then you save. So now you have an additional barcode representing jugs for the same product, which is 108. In this case is mug. So once you do a sale on this particular product 108J, the system will know how to minus the quantity of 4. So you do a save. Now the next step is to attach that particular new code to a key. So you go to Administrative Tools, go to Touch Keys Programming. We are under section of beers. So we put here, see, this is a draft beer. Now, a draft beer, earlier you can see the code is 108, right? So now we create a new one. Let's say beside here, let's make it different. So this would be 108J, right? Which is 1 jug beer. Okay. So you set that up. So now you have 1 jug beer. If you want this color to be changed, you can actually do color changing. Let's say it is white. Okay, this is character, that's fine. Character is white. Okay, let's change the background. You want the background to change. For example, if you mark, if I say I would like this color, I say okay. Right, this is the color, and I say okay. There you can see. So then you save this up. So now when you do posting, now that's setup. Okay, once you've done your setup finished, so when you do your posting now, cashier login. So when you do your sales, put in a loose change. So let's say we are doing this table and this person order a beer. If it's 1 jug beer, you click. Okay, you can see the description come out is 1 jug. If I order 1 mug, it is 1 mug. So when I settle the bill, right, you can see the pricing come out. Let's say you pay $50. Bills comes out. It shows draft beer 1 jug and 1 mug. So operation is just like this. But what happened is, let's say if you were to exit the system, the password, okay. Now let's look at the effect of that operation, the sales we did just now. Look at the stock ledger, enter the cost password. Let's choose for the balance, which is inside the mugs. Look at that ledger. You can see. Now you can see from here, the jug sale, the system automatically deducted 4 mugs. For the mug sale, the system deducted the mug. So you have your actual balance of that beer in terms of mugs. So in this way, even if you sell jugs, the system knows how many mugs to deduct. So finally, you have your stock balance in the lowest denomination, which is mugs in this case. So that's how we use this feature to control this type of stocks.